Thank you. My name is Joanna Silver. I live in Silver Spring, Maryland, and I appreciate the chair allowing me to speak on this panel. I'm offering my testimony in my personal capacity, but I've spent the last 19 years working as a public defender in Maryland and the past 16 as a federal public defender, where I specialize in intersections between criminal and immigration law. I have a number of points that I wanted to make, but I did want to start in response to some of the testimony that you heard on the last panel, particularly with the former immigration judge. ICE can easily obtain a judicial warrant if there is probable cause to believe that the person has committed a federal criminal immigration offense. So 1326, a Social Security fraud, any sort of immigration-related fraud, or certainly any other federal criminal offense, ICE can work with a United States attorney to obtain a judicial warrant. There is a magistrate judge on duty at all times. There is an assistant United States attorney on duty at all times, and they can get a warrant that could then be accompanied with the detainer request, and then that would be in compliance with this bill. So I'm not sure what that witness was talking about when he said that there was no such thing as a judicial warrant, but there is, and ICE can get one. There is also a difference between the power of ICE to issue a detainer, which ICE can certainly do, and whether or not our state should, or under the Fourth Amendment, can honor that request. And I have seen many detainers, because when I represent my clients in 1326 illegal reentry cases, I get the A file, and they do not necessarily list out what immigration offense they're suspected of committing. They often just, say they're suspected of being in violation of the immigration laws. In a 287G case, it is the sheriff from Frederick County who is filling out the detainer. Like, there is no administrative warrant that is accompanying it. I also want to make it clear that ICE does not need the assistance of our correctional facilities to do its job. I can address this a little bit more later, but as you know, the most populous jurisdictions in our state are no longer honoring ICE detainers, and ICE, as I'm seeing in my practice, is doing a great job continuing to go out. I've had folks that are found at their homes, they're found going to work. ICE does not need us to be complicit in its work.